this is Ella. I'm from Guangzhou Mingyuan Packaging Machinery Company. We are one manufacturer of cutting machine, capsule filling machine, packing line, thermostat equipment. Today, I would like to introduce our automatic capsule filling machine. The model number is NJP-1200. It means the speed can do 1,200 pieces 1 minute. The machine with all stainless steel made and touch screen display. It can be Chinese and English or customized language. Okay, now first I would like to show you how to operate our automatic capsule filling machine. The first we need to connect with the workman bomb cleaner and the water pump. After put the capsule in the hopper. The hopper have two hoppers, one for empty capsule, this one for powder. We put powder here. Okay, now let's our engineer show you how to operate our capsule filling machine. Okay, first we need put the empty capsule. Yes, we need put the empty capsule in the mold, in the hopper. Okay, so we control in the displays, workman bomb and a cleaner. After push filling. Okay, you can see the machine will put the first step is the machine put the empty capsule in the holes. After separate the up capsule with down capsule. Here for filling powder in the down capsule. And here with the close again. And this is the finished sample for capsule. The machine speed can be 1,200 pieces in 1 hour. This machine is very easy to operate. Also, if you have different mode, you need to change some parts, we can do. Okay, if you are interested about our automatic capsule filling machine, please contact us. We will send you further detail and videos. Thanks for your cooperation. Bye.